Fixing pending delivery on confirmation DHgate is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix pending delivery on confirmation DHgate. Now suppose you are at the DHgate and now you've ordered any of the product. Now in those products you simply go to your order. So if we go to your orders, you will easily be able to see all of your previously placed orders on my orders page. Now here suppose you accidentally clicked on receive order, and now what it will do, but you haven't actually received the order. You clicked that you have received it, you have done it accidentally. Now what does this thing do? What does this thing do is actually it actually release the payments to the seller. So when you pay while buying the product's payments are actually in the DHgate and the payments will be released to the seller, which means the seller will get their money. However, if your product is on the way, trust me, they won't actually cancel it, because canceling it will be a difficult thing and you will get your product in few days. You don't have to actually worry about anything. However, one thing you can do is you can actually talk to the seller and let him know I accidentally click on confirmation, and he will sort things out for you. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.